Welcome to Fieldclix Next, a new and much improved version of Fieldclix, featuring lots of modifications under the hood and in the user interface. Novel features, refined elements, and completely new additions. A good place to start is Fieldclix users. We have completely removed the concept of mobile user and everything related to it, actions, PIN, asset registration, from the employee's reference, related dashboards and reports. Now we have two types of users, desktop and web. Web users have access to the mobile app and Fieldclix web version. Desktop users have access to all Fieldclix tools, Fieldclix desktop, web and mobile app. So when you give an employee a desktop account, the web access is also activated. So how to log into the Fieldclix tools? Connect to the VPN, then open the Fieldclix web in a browser with the URL app.fieldclix.com. Enter company code, login and password to access your company workspace. Run the app on your mobile device and just enter your company code, login and password. If you don't already have the app on your phone, you can download and install it from Google Play Market or the App Store. More about the changes in the Fieldclix mobile app can be found in a separate episode. That episode will cover the installation of the app, the simple login process and what's new in each module. Change user and multiple accounts. The forthcoming iteration of the Fieldclix platform will facilitate the ability to log in with multiple user accounts. It is possible that multiple instances of the Fieldclix platform may be present within your organization. In such instances, users will be able to log in to any instance. The process has been optimized for user convenience. Consequently, users are no longer required to log out each time they wish to access a different company workspace. To add another login, users should navigate to the account settings, locate the Change User option, and input the desired login information, including the company code, login, and password. Or click Use Different User on the login screen and connect to another instance in your organization. In addition, the login screen displays a list of recent logins and current connection status, providing a convenient way to quickly access the instance you need. Another beneficial application of multiple user accounts is the capacity to grant access to the Fieldclix sandbox. This is a test environment where you can try out new system features. One thing to keep in mind about the login process. Each time a user logs into the Fieldclix web portal or mobile app, the login information will be retained until the user clicks on Log Out. A few words about logging out of the Fieldclix web portal and mobile app. Logging out of the Fieldclix desktop client is quite simple. Close all program windows. As for the Fieldclix web portal and mobile app, navigate to the account settings and click on the Log Out button. You will be disconnected from the web portal and the app until you log in again. We've also added the ability for users to change their own password. Go to your account settings again and look for the Change Password option. Let's move on to the next section, which is working with Fieldclix system in a web browser. Fieldclix web portal has always been a great tool for working with dashboards and documents. It is fast, stable, and can easily handle large amounts of data. We have decided to continue improving the web version of our system. We will bring more features previously only available in the desktop version into the web version, so that you have a single place to work with dashboards, documents, references, and tasks. Using Fieldclix web portal is a good starting point for your work in the Fieldclix system. If you are a user with access to the web version of Fieldclix, nothing has changed for you in general. Open Fieldclix web in your browser and enjoy your work. Note the new dashboards, especially the redesigned timekeeping review interface. If you are a user with access to the desktop version of Fieldclix as well, you'll be happy to know that there are some changes here. We'd like to tell you more about each one. Get started by logging into the Fieldclix web portal. Enable integration with desktop so that you can open desktop components such as references, scripts, reference cards, tasks, reports, and so on from the web. Integration with desktop. This is how it works. To open the Contera, that is Fieldclix desktop, records from the web, download the URL processor tool. It is available on the web in the Account Settings menu, near Integration with Desktop switcher. Download and install it on your computer. If a Microsoft Defender warning message appears, click More Info and run anyway. This tool processes the URL link of a Contera record or reference to open it from the Fieldclix web portal. Keep in mind that you need to turn on the VPN as well to open desktop records from the web. Once you're connected to VPN, return to the web portal. Make sure that integration with desktop is on. Open any desktop component. This will initiate the login session to the desktop client, although it will not open the Fieldclix desktop itself. The login session will run in the background and launch any desktop records that have been opened from the web. In general, you can now open any reference, report, or task from the web portal. However, if you need to access a component that is not yet available on the web, you can launch the desktop client and work from there. Special notes for macOS users. Desktop integration works only when the user navigates to the Fieldclix web portal in a browser opened in the Windows virtual machine. So if the user opens the web portal from the native Mac browser apps, the integration will not open Contera links. Users using Parallels coherence mode should be particularly careful with this, as in this mode it is less clear whether a browser is open in Windows or Mac. As long as the browser used to access Fieldclix is open in Windows, everything works normally. Open desktop components from Fieldclix web portal. Once desktop integration has been enabled in the Fieldclix web portal, you will see the Quick Launch button in the top bar. To access the desired desktop component, simply click on Quick Launch and select the relevant option. This could be, for instance, opening a reference or running a report. Access to your inbox in Fieldclix web portal. Now you can access your inbox from anywhere at any time. We've made it easy for you by putting your inbox on a separate dashboard in the Fieldclix web portal. Track the tasks and jobs assigned to you, see their progress, mark tasks and jobs as read, create a new task from the web. What is more, perform tasks right in the web portal. Approve vendor purchase orders, send for revision build plan budgets, and easily complete other tasks. Note that the payroll closure route tasks cannot be performed on the web. Instead, open the payroll check closure interface on the web or open the desktop card of the task. In the Fieldclix system, employees and users are tightly coupled. Considering this, we have made the following modifications in the employees component. As a single method is used to sign into all Fieldclix tools, desktop client, web portal, mobile app, using a login and password, the PIN field on the Roles tab in the employee card has been removed. Additionally, we have made changes to the employees' roles. As previously noted, the employee roles make it easier to manage access to various tools, including the ability to filter data, set restrictions, or grant an advanced level of access. We've created a new role called Mobile Selfie Not Required role to make things a little easier for your employees. No more asking them to take a selfie when they clock in and clock out on their mobile devices. However, clock in and clock out selfies remain required unless this role is assigned. We've redesigned the Mobile Fixed Location role. In the past it was purely informative, showing employees clocking in and out on wall devices that do not collect GPS data. Now the role indicates that an employee with the fixed location role is a non-GPS tracked employee. Since we don't have asset registration, which means we don't associate an employee with their asset, let's say a personal phone, there's no such thing as a wall device. Instead of the wall device asset, use the fixed location role to mark the employee's device as non-GPS. Non-GPS tracked employees clock in and clock out as normal on their non-GPS devices, phones. Another employee role that has changed is the timekeeping managers. The role now controls adding or removing an employee from the timekeeping manager's user group. In the Fieldclix system, user groups control access to dashboards, references, reports, and documents. As for the timekeeping manager user group, it provides access to the timekeeping dashboards, the review interface, gives a high level of access to time cards and so on. Adding an employee to this user group is now very simple, just assign the role. Conversely, you can remove the role to exclude them from the TK Manager's user group. Simple enough. This role supports the restriction by department and filter by class. In case if you want to limit time cards visible to a TK Manager to a specific department or class. The department and class filters apply to time cards in related time cards reference and dashboards such as time cards, payroll periods. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any new content.